Hey, Peter, Hopsy's over for a sleepover. Cool. Hey, Hopsy. Hey. Well, what's with the big suitcase? It's just all fragile stuff. Here, let's put a. Okay. Let's get all on that wall. Peter, you leave. Why? Because we need to put all our stuff on the wall. Ah! I'm glad the bed is there. That is why it's there. Hopsy, don't you think you bring a bit too much stuff? Why? I think that's not enough stuff. Do you? Well, you've definitely filled up the wall, but I really don't think all this stuff is necessary. Well, I think it's perfectly necessary. Move back from the camera. Okay. I think this is all perfectly necessary, don't you? It's not unnecessary. See you next time on part 2.